Hello everyone, I am Brijesh. I am here to show you my AS project, which is an application in which you can see the list of movies in details. Now let me show you the actual application on simulator. Here is splash screen, login screen, sign up screen, and forgot password screen. Here is one button which is useful to show and hide the password. On click of show button, I have disabled secure text entry, and on click of hide button, I have enabled the secure text entry. Value of button is changing on clicking. Now for processing further, there are two different methods. First one is Google Sign In. For performing Google Sign In activities, I've used Google Sign In SDK, and you will be redirected to accounts.google.com, and from here, by a Google account, you can sign in. Another method is connected with Firebase, which means you have to create a new account. After that, you can log in with the email ID and password which you have used while creating the account. So here is my Firebase account. You can see currently there are no users, so I'm gonna create one user. This form is completely validated like email ID. Email ID must be in val format, and password and confirm password is completely validated. Now this email ID I've used for creating an account. So when I click on the sign up button, my account will be created. You can see here is my account. So now I'm able to log in with my new account. My username is Brijesh, email ID, my password is 128. Now I'm entering 129, so I won't be able to log in. It says the email ID and password. The password is incorrect. So password is correct. Now I am able to log in. Now, if you forgot the password, you can simply click here forgot password, and you have to just enter your email. Now this email is correct. If I enter wrong email, which is email is not yet registered, so it says there is no user record corresponding to this identifier. So I have to write my registered email. So now on click of submit button, password reset email is sent. Now let me show you my Gmail account. Here is password reset link, and I can reset my password from here. My previous password was 128, and now I am entering a new password. Now hello 123 is the new password, and previous password was 128. So password is updated. Now I can't log in with the password 128. I won't be able to log in because the password is incorrect. Now this is right password, and now I can log in. This is table view, and there are different categories of movies, and by clicking you can see the details of it like year, ratings, and cast. Similarly, this one is for series, and there are different categories of series. By clicking any cell you can see the details of it. Thank you for watching the video.